Is that on? Okay. All right. So this is our story, and we hope that you learn from it. You see, if only we knew then what we know now. If these walls could talk, they would tell a story that would have saved us a lot. What?
Did you hear that?
No? So, this is how our story began. As we got into project after project, we found some unexpected things, like opening up the cabinets in the hallway and finding out rodents had chewed out the entire ceiling. And had we known this, we would have made some different decisions. And then, upon further investigation, we were finding plumbing that was running inside and outside the walls where it doesn't belong and didn't even match up with hot and cold.
Oh no!
Right? It's absurd. And then the most atrocious of all of the findings. Do you remember the little dip in the ceiling above the doorway in the primary bedroom? Well, after opening up the wall, it was not a small problem. No. There was a beam that was sagging and allowing the roof to cause a cave or concave shape that was like a swimming pool when it rained on top of the roof, and it was destined to cause a flash flood in the bedroom. After we got the walls opened up, not only was the beam sagging, causing a swimming pool-sized crater in the roof, waiting for the next rainstorm to allow water to come crashing through the ceiling right onto the primary bedroom, we had to do a lot of work to fix it. It was not cheap. It was very expensive. And had we known then what we know now, we would have made different decisions. So, the moral of the story is, you don't know what you don't know. And it is extremely important to get pre-sale inspections before selling your home so that your buyers don't come back to haunt you.